In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect N8N to Telegram. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that talks to Telegram and retrieves chat details so you can build on it with your own automations. Start by opening your N8N instance and heading to the Workflows area. This is where all your automations live. Create a new workflow so we can keep things clean and focused. You'll land on a blank canvas. Click the plus icon to add your first node. You'll see the node picker pop up along with a search bar at the top. That search is handy once you have an idea of which integration you want, but for now we'll add a simple testing node. Select the manual trigger. This is a small but powerful addition that lets you run the workflow on demand while you're building and troubleshooting. Using a manual trigger ensures you don't need any external events to test the Telegram node we're about to add. Next, click the plus icon again to add another node and choose the Telegram integration. When you open the Telegram node, you'll notice it organizes actions into a few categories. This helps you quickly find what you need. Chat actions are focused on managing chat-specific information and participants. Callback actions relate to interactive components like buttons and callbacks that your bot might receive. File actions are all about sending, receiving, or handling media like photos, documents, or audio. Message actions cover text-based interactions such as sending or editing messages. Knowing these categories up front makes it much easier to pick the right operation later. For this walkthrough, we'll use a read-only action to verify that the connection works. Choose the option to get a chat. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're looking at the appropriate resource and operation in the drop-downs. Select the resource that corresponds to chats, then select the operation that retrieves a chat's details. This is a safe way to confirm your credentials and your chat reference are set up correctly. Before you can run anything, choose the credentials that N8N will use to connect to Telegram. If your credentials are already configured in N8N, select them from the list. Make sure you pick the correct Telegram bot account you intend to use. If you haven't prepared credentials yet, pause here and ensure your Telegram bot token is securely stored in N8N as a credential so you can select it in this step. With credentials in place, fill in the chat ID field. This is how Telegram knows which conversation you're targeting. Depending on your use case, that could be a direct chat, a group, or a channel. Use the precise identifier associated with that chat. A common tip is to test with a chat you control first, then expand to team channels once you've confirmed everything is working. Now you're ready to test. Click Execute Step in the Telegram node. This runs just that node with the inputs you provided, which is perfect for validating your setup without running the entire workflow. If everything is configured properly, you should see a successful response in the output panel showing details about the chat. That confirms your N8N instance can reach Telegram using the selected credentials and that your chat ID is valid. If you don't get the expected result, double-check that the selected credentials match the bot you intend to use, verify the chat ID, and ensure your bot has permission to access that chat. For groups and channels, the bot typically needs to be added as a member before certain actions will work. At this point, your Telegram connection is confirmed. From here, you can swap the operation from getting chat details to sending messages, handling callbacks, or working with files, depending on what you want to automate. Keeping the manual trigger in place while you iterate makes testing quick and safe. When you're satisfied, you can replace the trigger with whatever event makes sense for your workflow. That's it. Your N8N workflow is now connected to Telegram and ready for you to build on. Thanks for watching and happy automating.